Hello, welcome back. Lizzie and I decided to come to Yosemite National Park, and she left me, so now I have to go find her. Alright, so I found Lizzie, and now we're just trying to find a nice trail to walk. Lizzie and I haven't done anything like cool or outdoorsy in a while. That's what we're doing, just hanging out at Yosemite Park, just doing some outdoorsy stuff, getting some cool photos, just mixing it up a bit. And there you spot a wily Lizzie tripping over the rocks in her Timberlands. Look at her, she looks so out of place. Just trying to make it over. I don't think she's got it, or maybe she does. When she sees this, she's gonna, when she sees this, she's gonna punch me so hard. I was talking hella shit. Your hands aren't even that cold.
Your face is cold.
I don't feel it. Lizzie bought new Timbs yesterday, and since she didn't have time to break them in, she wore them today. Right area to do it in, wear Timbs, but not broken in, not really all that good. All right, I'm gonna get some more shots. Okay, look at this, right here. Ice on the ground. We're in California still. What the hell? What the heck, man? It's like crazy. Like, look at this. Look at this ice. Look at this ice. Just crazy. Crazy how this is. Really cool though. Really cool. All right. Lizzie, should I tell them why we're here taking pictures and whatnot?
No, why are we?
You know why we're here, the thing we discussed.
Ooh, I like that.
Okay, she's not paying attention. There is a reason why we're here taking pictures. I don't know if I should say it now or if I should say it later, but there is a reason, and you will see soon. So, my girlfriend is actually a very good photographer. That way. That's the way we go. We're going that way. But my girlfriend is a very good photographer. And we are, like I said, taking pictures for a special project that we hope will be ready before the end of the year. We want to have at least a few of what we're trying to do ready.
Well, I can't exchange these now.
We're trying to have a few of what we're trying to do ready before the end of the year. Lizzie and I haven't even gone like a mile yet, and we discovered basically like a winter wonderland. It's really freaking cool. And look at Lizzie eating this sandwich. Alright, there's this really dope like tree that fell over a rock this way, and I really want to see it. We're off to go. Woo! Oh my God. I don't really, sorry if this video, it's my first real like video that I'm taking seriously of 2018. This is like my first one back. So if the narrative is like jumpy and it doesn't make sense, I haven't made a serious video that I've actually wanted to put out in a while. So, you know, it's like getting my feet wet again. You know what I'm saying? Like, look, this is me right now. This is me right now. Like, you know, like trying to dip a toe.
Dip a toe? Who said that?
Trying to dip a toe, man. Not trying to go completely ham. I haven't really filmed scenery in a while or had like cool stuff to do. You just haven't had time, man, which sucks. And that's like a, you know, BS excuse, because, you know, you can always make time. Another stop. Another stop because I've been obsessing over a picture that I wanted. It's of basically like a bunch of trees, and then there's a bridge, and then I wanted like the perfect road to go through that bridge, and I've been obsessing over that image, and we just passed it. It's down the road a ways. Lizzie's going to take the picture of the bridge for me. She's a better photographer than I am. So I'm gonna have her take the picture, and I'm just gonna video her taking pictures. Oh my god. What the hell was that?
It was
What is it? What the heck was that? I didn't see nothing. I didn't see anything. She just like wigged out for no reason. That person didn't wave to me. These people don't wave. I've been waving to people and they haven't waved back. I'm quite offended. Ah! I got a wave back. You probably can't tell in the camera, but she waved back. I wouldn't be this excited if she didn't. I got a wave back. Lizzie, did you see?
I didn't, because I was watching where I was going, making sure I didn't get hit.
I got a wave back. I'm not just saying that. All right, so the bridge, there's hella people on it, so we got this shot instead. So we got this shot instead. Babe, scoot. Sorry. Sorry. We got this shot instead, but it looks really nice on Lizzie's camera. Like you can see right here, mine's kind of overexposed, but yeah, on Lizzie's camera, it looks really nice. So Lizzie doesn't like the forest, so I'm thinking about scaring her, but she might get mad at me. You good?
Oh shit!
No, I'm saying, is that a fucking...
What?
You see that?
What?
No, I'm not. It's like something in the bushes, like in that area.
Okay, babe.
No, babe.
I hear in the bushes. You're being one of those white people right now. Who? What is that? What is that? A scary movie? No, I'm not trying to die right now.
There, the bushes.
With their little...
I didn't hear or see anything. I had to get her. I had to. It was funny. I didn't want to. I honestly didn't want to, but I had to. Lizzie, there's more snow that way. That way? That way. There's more snow. Okay. No snow, guys. No more snow. Sorry. I f***ed it up. That's what she said. I messed up. I don't know. It's so much to film, but I don't film like nature, but it's so enticing and calming. The end goal that we're trying to get to right now is Hetchy, but we don't know exactly where we're going. Just taking video and photos everywhere we go. We are, where are we? Point it out again, sorry.
White Hill.
We are at this place.
Right there.
Right there. And where are we trying to go? For right now?
Where'd it go? Right here. The swinging bridge.
So
I wonder if it really does swing.
So we're trying to go right there to the... You ready, babe? Alright, high five me. That means you're ready. Terrible. Holy terrible. Jesus, terrible. Alright, let's go!